This video is how to glue a golf club head onto a new shaft. First, I'll take the new head and put on the shaft, make a mark where it comes to. I'll take some 80 grit sandpaper and sand into the shaft really good until it's nice and dull and the crimp's a little bit discolored. And then I'm going to take some alcohol, just for speed. I already prepped this really good. So take some alcohol, clean off the shaft. Same thing with the head. You want to get all the old glue out of the head. So I take a wire brush on a drill. Run it in there for a little while. Take some compressed air, blow it out. And then I'll do it again. Take some alcohol. Clean the inside of the head that you're gonna put on real good. Prep it out really good. Get way down in there. Make sure you get all the glue out of it. Make sure you get it nice and clean. The cleaner you can get it, the better it's gonna stick. Next, take the Brampton glues, mix it 1-to-1. This stuff mixes pretty fast, so when you do start mixing it, nice puddle of each. Mix it really good until you have a nice cream color. And take your glass beads that you have and just put a light dusting on top. This helps the glue remain even around the whole side of the shaft. And once it's all mixed real good, take the glue on a T is what I usually use. I'll coat the inside of the club head real good. And I'll coat the shaft real good. And once your shaft and your club head is coated real good, you can shove the shaft on. Wipe any excess off with your alcohol. Make sure the shaft is in there real good. And there you have it. Then you can go slide down your little piece on the club head and you're good. And that's how to glue a head onto a shaft. Now let that sit for like 12 to 18 hours and you're good. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe for more videos. Play a great game of golf.